You know what the Rawal one represent for the ladies them. I mean I say Upnlive. Hey, me say bad girl, how them like? Them no fi do the little thing how me like. Me say bad girl, how them like? Them no fi sit down on the ride like a bike. Me say bad girl, how them like? Them no fi do the little thing how me like. Me say bad girl, how them like? But no fi sit down on the ride like a bike. Me say bad girl, yeah me want you. Make sure you back your talk to. You say you're wicked in a bed. So nobody beg when me a rough it up. Make sure you can ride all night. Tsunami when we collide. You say you like how me deep inside. Whoa, you like it, yeah me see it in your eye. Cause bad girl, how them like? Yeah, this one is for the ladies them. Check out my EP, Taco Fever. Yeah. Hey, girl, you give me the fever, can't wait so for please you, baby, my body need you, girl, you give me the fever, can't wait so for please you, girl, you give me the fever, hey, my girl, so me tell you say, hey girl, take over your phone, come link me, but make sure say you're not weird enough, move on up in your belly instantly. I love the way you whine and quinty. PPF the ride all night. Feel so good that when me inside, girl. I love it when you sit down and ride. Cock it up, girl, ride like a bike and wine pon it, rock it off. Real bad girl, no, you're not soft. Wine pon it, rock it off. It's sweet, you, and no nothing if you, oh God. Wine pon it, rock it off. Real bad girl, no, you're not soft. Wine pon it. Rock it up, you think of that baby? The girl me love it and you sit down on it and ride. Up inna you, no make me take time. Rolex wine, you no tick off time, girl. You keep on the left, then you tick it on the side. Surfing board on the wave you a ride. Paradise when me reach inside. Up inna you, me bust you like hey my girl. So me tell you say, take a buy a van, come link me. Make sure say you now, you know. Oh God, up inna you instantly. Love the way you whine and sing it. My girl, hey, my girl. Me say, yo, hey, okay, go slow wine. Hey, go slow wine for my baby. Wine slow on it for me. Slowly take your hips in me. Spread the legs, them wide, everything give me. Go slow wine for my baby. Wine slow on it for me. Slowly take your hips to me. Spread your legs, them wide, everything give me. Girl, me love it when you in position from back. Heart your back, no bait it non-stop. No hold back. Funny back shot, hit that by the lips. Snap your finger from your body calling. Nah linger.
Jagger got album lads, you know.
You know what the thing in a Jagger?
Jagger got album lads.
You know, sing my favorite song.
Hey look, brand new clocks for my feet. See them fresh in a the fridge it a cape. Hey look, brand new clocks for my feet. Fresh CO2 when we touch straight. Sauce them a drip, not no bout in a shape. Latest clocks we a rocking at the seat. Hey, sauce full of drip, call the plumber. Swagger them loud. Jagger, me say, y'all say you need, y'all say you need. Dessert for me, now when we touch it straight. You think of that, Rick? Say me no know. Me want know Upnlive how them do it, again, hey. Say me no know. Me want know, hey, how them sleep. That him go on with it. Have a little bit of controversy. Listen. Hey, me say, me no done it blessed now, me no talk tough. Them soft like butter, them only chat enough. Hey, war them want tell them guns we got enough. Darkness me a pre, them a tick clap it up. Inna it we slap it up, them body chop it up. Inna bin we bag them up, make Maggie jam them up. Shoulda never if we dust, now them bite the dust. Matic, inna and the next the tar rush. Hey, them start war with them can't manage. Never know they kill them, so savage. We give them, hey, you think of that? Me say, real bad man, some could have been a fool dog. We a bad, her from we a go to school. So the badness set, boy, don't rocky rule. Babylon a come down, that's what you're told. Real bad man, boy, don't help yourself. Anyway you see me, take for yourself. One in your forehead and take for your health. You don't know our badness at top shelf. Extra clip a cup of shot, 9 more in the glass. Don't be making
okay, alright, well. All right, you know me, I got ask. We have to go. Cause you say something in
Yeah,
the song.
I that more ask too.
I never know you and Danny Bless at war.
No, man, Danny Bless that one.
No.
No.
Me catch that part. They said me and Danny Bless some me not talk tough. So hold on, I pay a chat. Danny Bless chat.
Yeah. Danny Bless, I'm a virgin, but they see me. I'm a G, but they see.
No, but we have to pick you up on the car and that you get out there, you know, and then me say you don't take talk.
Somebody talk Danny Bless, you know, talk bird clat Danny Bless over here. Problem trouble.
Yo.
Trouble over here.
Anyway, people, Ricardo
Rawal
Rawal is here. Give thanks to passing through. Remember the EP launch is going to be on the 13th of February.
Yeah.
It's going to be over there at Bar. So the EP is going to be released on the 14th on Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Okay, can we get some social stuff for you, please?
Yeah, man. Before I do that thing, I just want to big up. Right now, I'm working with a team, you see me? Big up Dusted and management, you see me? Moving forward, working together, you see me? Like, new leaf I'm turning now, you see me? Like, one booking and everything, different here, we're doing the thing, you know, you see me? So we're taking a more professional approach this year, you see me? And also, on the 23rd to the 27th, I got a few shows up north. So we're at Newcastle, Huddersfield, Leeds, Manchester, Leicester, you see me? So big in the manner up there, Huddersfield, you see me? They must support the movement, see me, is it? So with the out of the reach, you get me, I say?
Of course, and you know,
I know anything go.
I wish you all the best, you know, obviously from day one, family. So we just give thanks for you doing the right thing, and we just hope it work.
Yeah, man. And we have some more thing for big up as well. Big up DJ Village, you know, so the 5th. Or their village birthday party, you see me? And then we also forward back again, Gangster Kid, where they see him where is it? And then Stevenage, the 10th as well. You see me? So we put in loads of work, man.
Exactly. The social for me?
You don't know. It's simply, you know, Ricardo, Rawal. I always say this, Google me, everything pop up.
Okay.
Not no joke about it.
Simple. All the best, brother.
You know the thing, man. Is
Give
it?
thanks.
Yeah.
See it, man.
Definitely.
Peace. People.
That was
Jagan.
yeah.
Me feel like he must shoot off and Danny Bless. I don't know
a little thing I go on over there.
But I've got to ask Danny Bless this, because, you know, when you put out this Danny Bless, I'm going to say, yo, you must call me phone non-stop.
Like, I can't take the fucker tomorrow, no, because, you know, I can't bet as school run time, Danny Bless. I disregard over one place, over one part.
Or him do it again. Listen to or Danny Bless now.
No, listen to me.
Make them know.
No, man, you have a style when you talk, man. You have a style when you talk and say, you can't, I want him say like, you can't hear me.
Take this into consideration.
No, you can't hear me.
You not hear me?
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
I just hope so not hear me.
Jaga say, you hear me?
Never school church.
In school? Oh.
So then bless say.
In school, but in never
school church.
Oh, they rot. You don't go.
Danny Bless the icon. Big up yourself.
Most trendingest artist in UK.
But to be honest, he's very creative with what him do.
Yeah.
24 hours a day.
And you know, his song them catchy.
Hey girl. My
It's
song
all
that's
about you.
my song.
The
But-
lyrics may not be as potent as how others are.
All right, make a
But
break down.
it's very catchy.
Make a break down something in dancehall, because
True, I
we
see
realize,
too.
you know, from what you want to say this,
What?
some artists in the business for a long time say they're artists and they're doing music, and Danny Bless just become an artist, and he is 150 times better than them in his execution, his performance, and him sang them better enough for them song.
No,
Because you know, some people, like, you realize when some man construct a song and give,
Yep.
them not construct it properly or song proper, like add the verb, verse, whatever, you know, and structure it properly. Danny Bless song might not be the most lyrical songs,
But
it's very catchy and you can vibe to it, and it gonna make you remember something about that song.
But
The man sing
Yeah,
pussy check, yeah? And re-sing it as body check. Body check is
Clean
more,
version.
more better.
clean version.
Yeah,
No, but I say it more better and perform two of them. But the trick with it, then you have 3 or 4 songs where I work with it. And then I work with it. You have artists who can build 1 million songs, that's what they do. And just dash it and just, that's it.
No, but
That's it. Then we cost of him. Then we make sure say him stand up in his style and we can see him and look by you.
Hey boy, I don't
He
have
put in him work. So you
Yeah.
have to understand say, what and people is a related person, so people like him.
No, but it comes back down to being able to perform and being able to stand in front of a crowd and deliver. So it brings that over to the record, because not what for artists where the record songs can't go in front of a crowd and deal with it. And Danny used that same energy they go up on stage when I really have nothing to do and just create a show. You just bring it on the record because 24 hours a day is just coming like.
Me I gonna do what Danny do, yeah. Like, if
I'm
I
a
talk about
star.
something
Exactly.
and just change it like me that say. Don't know. So the next week Friday, a curious link up. Don't know what Granny's nightclub. Don't know. My birthday 10th of February. Might have a little drink up, but you know that I go still.
Yeah.
But make sure you fall next week Friday. They say they see me.
Who up on the bill, dog?
I see. Well, and a serious thing. Yeah, that about.
Oh, what the?
No, I think it's because we are coming off of the conversation. So.
That's what
You
I'm
say
saying. Like
Daddy
Danny Bless.
That's
Well,
what Daddy Bless
no,
would
me
have
get trick a
done.
while ago too.
Hey, Dragon, you see me I talk about.
Me get trick a
No,
while
Danny
ago.
Bless, we are talking about something and just change it
He
to
changed
something
the
else.
Yeah,
conversation.
but you was
You're not
announcing
Danny
your
Bless.
birthdays as well.
He
But
says, I'm going to do something like Danny Bless.
That
yeah,
is
but
what-
I thought he was just giving an example.
No, but that's
Exactly.
it is an example with the facts of promotion.
But we don't know what you can't do it, so I'm not sure if I true.
Seriously.
Alright,
So
seriously
it's your
now.
birthday next week,
Yeah.
Friday.
Next week Friday, Curious Link Up, the 8th edition, you see me. February 11th at Granny's Nightclub in Croydon. £20 ticket unlimited right now, you see me. I just say there.
What the people them can expect?
I expect a lot of fun and greatness. And
I don't know,
I might party.
A pre-Valentine something, you know.
No, pre-Valentine's. If you want to bring a
I
Valentine,
left Nino.
if you want to bring a Valentine, you bring a Valentine.
So, Breads.
So like the man when I have well
my
money now,
birthday
birds.
party and event at the same time.
So, all we get tickets. So people have a DM you for it.
Them can message me and go up on shop.com and they say, you see me.
So for poor people, them.
For the poor people,
Yeah.
when you say, all right, you can't take out your woman 11th, then go back to 14 again.
What's the deal?
So you know have a little,
Nice.
you know,
Bring out the side chick.
little
and find
Valentine
them.
special, or you know, or
They may say-
remember the side chick them have to come out, you know. What
Listen,
about?
No,
I perfectly
no,
that,
this
Breads.
is the reason. Yeah.
11.
Listen, it said 11th of February. It was see flyers black and whatever color.
Mm-hmm.
You know, in a red.
Any dance for the weekend, they have Valentine's
Considering
Yeah.
the decoration kind of reflect opposite of what I wear. But when me I say this, if you want to bring a me in the side and left over, God go do with that.
Me
So
inside.
when you know, normally them say couples, you know, get a little.
No, this
a
is
little
not couple,
deal or
this
something.
is not couples event.
What
But
day-
it's Valentine, all of February, I love month, you know.
Them
I thought it should have been reggae month. We haven't even discussed that.
It is. We didn't get the
It's
time.
I first day I month to the man.
no,
Good
it's
God.
A, it's
It
a
is
month.
reggae month.
It's a month.
But the amount of things that go on at Jamaica.
Too much things.
We talk
overshadowed.
about reggae dancehall and the church.
No, upon a really
And the flood.
with the club rules,
Yeah.
no tracksuit, isn't me? Dress. I mess it again. On a dress, like when I go somewhere, on a beard, make sure on a beard. As I've said every time, just don't.
What do you mean by just like we're going somewhere?
President
Just
look
like-
him
I'm going
beard
to the
after, you know.
shop.
Just
You know,
like
I'm gonna
so
wear a pair of leggings.
Just
and
like could I
and
make
snow.
an effort. Make an effort for
I have
God.
my tracksuit, you know. I mean, I show what pan.
Yeah. You
I'm
can't wear
not
tracksuit
Rawal.
go no club. Like that's a joke, man.
You know, you know, so last week Friday, big up my Lit Friday crew. I have on a tracksuit last week Friday,
Eh.
and I reach, and you know, upset my me there somewhere to play,
Naughty.
and then me I drive over for Lit Friday, and I realize say, I have on the tracksuit. I know I almost reach the venue, and I turn back and I go put on clothes.
You
And
put
that
in an
discipline.
effort.
Because here, me just never want people to see me and say, I watch a DJ come in a tracksuit, and I say no tracksuit.
So you want to be. You want to make sure that you're paying
Alright.
attention to
Let
the
me
rules.
see if I from
Exactly.
that.
Right.
Lift a black jeans in your car.
Me get in trouble for that.
But make the person.
What for your black jeans?
No. Make the
No,
person
not for me wear my black
Oh,
jeans.
okay,
No.
okay.
Ah,
Oh,
you see what me I talk about?
Aye.
Then
see.
stop
Send the
with
blind
tracksuit
man.
and
Yeah.
bookings then.
Cause me have
Stop with tracksuit and bookings then.
no, I don't lose. I don't wear tracksuit. Only for radio or me I got football or so. Me you know if I see me a tracksuit now and
Boss man, here we know. Uncle Ivan, we have put one sign out pan the door. No,
No
tracksuit.
tracksuit allowed.
No. Yeah.
No tracksuit.
For what they tell us, so now get about 3 months worth of polo. See it? What is it for the second month?
You don't realize over time or where this.
But I said, but me I make sure you see like come put out an effort. Because there is a blips a link polo and say contract.
Alright, sign and
See
seal.
it? 5. We have 5. See it?
Alright.
So birds, make sure say Rick,
Yeah.
Rasta, everybody out there, Radioland,
Yeah.
hello world. Make sure say no tracksuit. But they can wear trainers.
No, they can't wear.
No,
Alright,
you-
they can't.
Yeah.
Alright, wait till that. Can't wear trainers. Can't wear a jeans, a shirt, a t-shirt. The reason why they wear tracksuit here, tracksuit draw people now want go party. Them just I walk off of the road.
And forward.
I that track a wrong crowd. And it don't
Okay.
look good for when you take a picture with a girl in one heels and that you have one tracksuit dog. You know, it look good.
And maybe she want to look fit and healthy. She do beside
But
somebody in a tracksuit.
is there any specific dress code for a woman? You can come in anything. Basically. Batty rider, see-through,
I'd rather
Mesh,
I'd rather
G-string.
alright, the
You want
flyers-
them to look
Me just
nice.
a-
The
Axe.
flyers are grown and sexy. So the grown means the man them look grown. Lazy much sexy. No.
But there are different aspects of
Yes,
sexy.
but there's
So what aspect of sexy do you want the lady
sexy means
forward
that there's
of?
a sexy, sophisticated. Like you look like.
So be specific,
Yeah.
sir.
All right, people, just turn out to Brett's party next week.
Yeah, next
Tuesday.
week. And
Ready?
remember to
Not
support
Tuesday,
all the
not
weekly...
Tuesday, not Tuesday.
Next
Next
week,
week,
Friday.
Tuesday, sorry.
Remember to support all the weekly events from Monday straight back to Sunday. You don't know, and various parties that we have followed up over the weekend. Remember, we are here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we have our videos on our YouTube channel. Please go over, like, share, subscribe, comment, do. Do them something and support the movement.
Before you go, my birthday literally start from Thursday, my party, Friday, Saturday, Sunday over there,
As in
Ricardo
this
Royal.
week?
No, next week. Man, we can't
Oh,
Ricardo Royal.
Launch party.
EP
EP
launch.
launch.
Bag of things that happen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I have one thing to say
Very
before I
good
go.
Yeah.
I want to give somebody a forward. Like, me hear one song since
Yes.
week. I'm really have a big up artist. I don't know the artist name. I hear him name before.
Yes.
I think he named Big Chain. Him,
What? You don't know
I
Big
do
Chain?
not know.
I'm
being
ashamed
honest.
of you.
I've
You've
seen,
met Big Chain
Take away
before.
sort visa.
Take it away.
Big-
Nobody come back as well.
brother. If me mistaking your name for somebody else, I don't know who. But me know the name, but I just can't put the face in the name.
You know Big
But
Chain.
me hear
Okay.
a song when him do it with Dan Andre. I think the song is a brilliant song.
Which Rocky I live under?
Eh?
Rich Rocky I live under.
Which rock? Come here. What do you mean,
Bro,
which rock?
he was on the
You
show
know,
that
he-
made the
he-
biggest why, bro, with you.
Yeah.
When
What-
I'm saying
what-
How do you
Virgin.
not know that?
I'm saying the
Fam.
virgin. I'm saying the virgin. I'm saying
How-
tight. Like
Yeah, man, I'm get no,
Say
no,
the
no. Allow me to tell.
Which
And
one?
Daniel Bless get the biggest why.
No,
Last year.
but we're trying to let Rick understand that he
sure.
was on the
Remember
show.
she was hosting.
The one with you.
Oh,
When you was
Not wait.
hosting, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
he was on that show.
Yeah, but
Before.
I just don't. As I said,
And
I've
he
seen
showed
him.
the why, and everyone that why you were there, you lost.
Okay, I am.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're saying
Okay.
that song forwarded
Okay.
out a long time ago, so we're
Yeah.
asking what rock are you living
No,
on?
but I've just heard the song.
Naughty.
And the song preview.
Why? A good things I rip the drink from me.
No, no, but
And they
means
premiere
I'm on
live
a-
together
no,
on the last month.
But that's what I'm saying. I don't
Yes,
see
he
everything.
was
What
there.
I do see, and I heard the song recently.
Yeah.
The song is a very good
It's
song.
a good song.
Been
So
6
big up to
months, yeah.
Don Andre and Big Chain.
And the-
Yeah.
and if
It's a
a
big
si-
song.
It's a big song.
DJ,
Yeah, man,
a
I saw you
DJ finger the producer same here.
Yeah.
Yeah, one now, Rick. You said for that area.
Yeah.
So you don't put on your drinking. So yeah, what we do? We invest in some marijuana. We start smoke.
Yeah.
Cause you know,
See it, yeah?
you look like say like drinking
Wow.
and agree.
In my Gakoma.
Eh?
And the
Yeah.
song is titled Own Space. It's a very, very
Own
good
Space.
song.
Oh, the space.
So people, we don't know what thing go. You come to a little part of the evening where we
Yeah.
have to say we goodbyes them.
Tatas.
We don't want the round the table start from Rasta ground. You know, greetings across the world.
Greetings. No, we're gonna laugh. No, we're
Go
not
on,
doing
no
no,
matter
no,
Gas
no,
that, gas
no.
that.
One particular. Go ahead.
Big up everybody up on live team, everybody in the studio, Ricardo Royal, everybody behind the scene over there. So my mother made it on TV. And make sure no forward next week Friday. I create link up, you see me.
Yeah. Rick,
You know, are the wrong song you not tell me about?
what
Wrong
song
song
are
you
you
are telling
talking
me
about?
about.
I'm talking about the song
Oh.
that say you.
It was my new one, the new one.
We're done.
Dan
Dan
Andre.
Andre.
Yeah,
Oh,
Mansion.
sorry.
You.
My
That
apologies.
is the song that I'm
You
talking
still
about.
know the artist.
I mean, a big, not big.
Yeah, but
listen,
it's
listen, my man. When you see me, I make me look a synopsis and me look a soul. You know, love me, man.
or
Come
apology,
do-
or humble apology, sir.
Sorry.
Come and do what me not go wrong.
Or
I'm not
humble
thinking to myself.
apologies.
Sorry.
But you need to know who the artist is.
Yeah, but-
yeah.
Big
shout
up
out.
yourself, Big Chain.
Yeah.
Manners.
Is that your last word?
People
Yeah,
know the
like
thing
that.
go.
I'm out.
Rasta, say yeah,
See you
good.
guys next week. Remember YouTube channel.
Clever family them.
Most important. Big up. Yeah. Most importantly, YouTube channel. Go
And
over the sub. Go
when you
over
over
the
there,
part.
click like.
Yes.
Press the
Like,
button.
comment, and share it out, and do them things there.
And your record.
Why? People, we know what thing go. Me have to go pray for Jamaica, even though I'm not Christian, but you know what thing go. For the last part of this, I want to say, on love and the brother, love and the sister. Let love rule in everything you do. I want to say, read a book, you know, because them say, brain power is the main power. Until next week, you know me, I left with the anthem, I call a long time in a plate. Uncle, I beg you, about 40
Big up
seconds out of
Mariam.
that song, yeah. See you?
Hey, Upnlive, IG, UB, more time I pray, much more fight I'll get tired. And all I do are the good for people. Jano. ITUBIG. Upnlive. We fight for your cards for them not necessary. Say them mean you well, but them well want you bury. Seasonal changes are atmospheric. After A+ grades, not even a merit. Everything I till the potland. When belly full, them tell you say you have no hot song. Judge ways can't say we choose no other option. One thing me learn pon this mission.
Upnlive with every battle when me fight me grow. And every victory we have the scar for sure. So the world will know our climb. Cause every great thing takes time. And yes, you reap the seeds you sow. So beg your Jaja, give me strength to go. So the world will know our climb. Cause every great thing takes time.
DJ Rick, DJ Dragon.
Everything takes time.
All star. Upnlive for many years, man I tried this journey. Ask Mother Ivan, Mother Miss, they can't tell the healer scars when fire burn me. Much defeat but never defeated. Standing firm though we're cheated repeatedly. Watch many doors close to be, close to be, close to be, close to be, close to be.